Hey there, Licknriffers, how are you doing? As we all know, Donner Instruments love you Licknriffers. So now they want you to check out their acoustic guitar versus their Hush I Pro silent travel electroacoustic guitar. Try saying that 3 times fast. Well, first of all, before I show you what this baby can do, this baby blue baby can do, look how beautiful it is. By the way, though, the white part, that's a preamp. It's got effects. It's got a preamp, it's got effects. It's an earphone guitar for silent practicing, but you can also plug it into an amp and get the same sounds. So that's what we're gonna do with the Donner portable rechargeable amp. So the acoustic guitar, well, acoustic guitars don't really need any introduction. The acoustic guitar is fantastically built, sturdy, beautiful, right? This is a really nice acoustic guitar, and listen to the sound. Now what I want you to pay attention to is the bass. This is a well-rounded acoustic guitar. This is a well-rounded frequency-rich guitar. And this is the point that I like to point out, because most of the time, guitars, acoustic guitars especially, at this price point, usually they lack bass frequencies. The guitars may be beautiful and well built, but usually at this price point, you don't get this rich of a sound. You don't get so many bass frequencies that deepen and round out the sound. A wonderful acoustic guitar. And now let's move on to the, by the way, this is the bag. Okay, it comes with its own padded bag. It's not just a felt bag, it's a padded bag. And this guitar comes with this bag. Okay? You can detach the frame. Yeah, you can detach it, and it fits into this neat little bag. Okay? And inside the bag there are goodies, but first of all, listen to this. Super silent. You can just practice at home, you know, with earphones. And it comes with earphones, by the way. They give you earphones. And you're not going to disturb the neighbors. Okay, the dog might hear it, but your neighbors will be happy. So first of all, you know, there are 2 compartments, one for the frame and one for the guitar itself. Okay, now this, as I said, comes with earphones. These are the earphones. Okay, and it also comes with the charging cable, and you also have the cable to plug it in. So let's open it and plug it in. All right, so you turn it on by pressing the button right here. As you can see, the preamp has controls. It also has a little screen. First of all, you know, just a acoustic guitar sound. Let's turn off the reverb. Beautiful sound, but you have effects. Delay, chorus. Tremolo. Okay, and so on and so forth. And this is all inside your ear, okay? The earphone preamp, okay, sounds exactly the same as this. Exactly the same. And this is just amazing to me. I keep saying this, but this is a dream come true. This travel guitar is a dream come true. This is something that we older fellas, okay, I'm older than I look, we dreamed about having this type of guitar back in the 90s. I mean, back in the 90s, the late 80s, this was just a fantasy. And now we're living in this fantasy, okay? Technology really got to a point where guitars are just the Wild West right now. So, I by the way, love how this looks without the frame. I just love it. It's also, you know, you can just put it against the wall or even hang it. Okay, you can carry it around. There is a carry handle. You can just carry it around like this. You can hang it on a nail on the wall and, you know, just admire it. The entire Hush series is awesome. So thank you very, very much, Donner, for letting me check out these guitars and for letting us Licknriffers enjoy your creations. Keep them coming. All right, so you go get yourself one of these and just have fun with it. Enjoy it, because at this price point, it's a no-brainer. I'll see you the next lesson. Bye for now. Have fun.